everyone in the world all sustainable? If you have $0 in your bank account, you're richer than more than 90% of the world population. That means about 90% of the world population is not sustainable or not fully meeting their needs. War happening all over the place, such as the Middle East, and the civil wars going on in many countries in Africa. Economical and political corruptions, it's all over the place even when it's developed. Gap between rich and poor due to the unfairness of the capitalism. Overpopulation becoming new global issue after the global warming. Jobless people blocking the recovery of the economy. Rich getting rich, poor getting poor. Many people are not sustaining the world, and this is one of the biggest problems. And also the environmental destructions due by the human. So what we can do in order to solve these problems? Save any resources even it's renewable, such as water, electricity, or any fossil fuels. Save our environment by recycling recyclable waste and reduce using transportation that use fossil fuels. Donate the needs to the people or country that's not sustained like us. It's still impossible to make everyone in the world sustain because we don't have amount of lands and resources to sustain 7.6 billion in the world. The earth only can support 1 billion people to make them sustain. To make 7 billion to be sustainable, we need 7 more Earths. But even though we can't sustain all the world, why don't we just try to make the world a better place? Why don't we give clean, beautiful, and sustainable Earth to our next generations who are going to lead this Earth? Why don't we actually try to make the world a better place? Not only saying that we have to make the world a better place. Rather than staying in the darkness and waiting for someone to help, why don't we make our own way out to hope? There's an old Korean quote that says, when you think it's late, that's when you start. So I don't think we're late. Thanks for watching.